Well, hello my friends, welcome back to the bench. Today we're going to be looking at the new Kaleido Colorworks Primary Matte Colors set. There's 12 colors in here and a bottle of thinner and a bottle of cleaner. Matte white, yellow, buff, matte black, matte green, wood, matte red, matte blue, wood brown, matte orange, matte purple, and rubber black. So, yeah, let's take a peek at these. And the regular lineup is all glossy, which is very unique. Because most acrylic lines, Vallejo and whatnot, they're all mattes. You know, there is no gloss in those lineups. Kaleido started out with all gloss. And now they're getting around to doing the matte colors, which I think is was pretty cool that they had glossy acrylics, which is a pretty rare thing. So they're going to start off with this 12 color primary set. And what we're going to do is we're going to spray each of these over white. We're going to look at them over white. And so we're going to use the same color across the board, see how they look. I'll spray a few over some dark bases to see how it covers. And what we're going to do is we're going to spray one directly onto this Warhammer figure and see how it covers. I will show every color, but on camera, I think we'll spray about 3 of them. Give me some bright colors. There we go. These show up good on camera. So we will spray these at the booth. The rest I will spray off camera. And I will show you the results of all of them so you guys get to see every color in the set as it looks sprayed over a white base. And here, I guess, yep, here's the thinner is actually the cloudy one, I believe, right? Yep, and the cleaner is the clear one. We're going to spray this. You want to go? I go with the biggest needle you can as far as acrylics go. So I'm going to spray it with my Aventus airbrush with the 0.4 millimeter nozzle. So we're going to go with that, and you shouldn't have a problem not having to thin these whatsoever. So, and if you're going to go smaller than a 0.4, 0.3, a couple drops, what you want to do is you want to put the, where's the thinner? You want to put a few drops in first, like 3 drops, then pour the paint on top, do a back flush, stir it right up. That's all you're going to need. You don't have to thin it too much. This paint performs really, really well out of the bottle, even thinned a little bit. Really an amazing performing paint. This is a crown achievement, what Kaleido has done here. I should say gaahleri. And I'm still impressed. Even when I test new colors, I'm still impressed by how well this stuff paints. Paints just like a lacquer. So, you know, thumbs up. Kudos to you guys for doing that. Anyway, let's get to spraying. I'm going to set the compressor at about 25 psi. And I'm going to spray, maybe we'll spray the green over the figure. All right, we'll spray these 2 and see how they go down. I'm going to do the figure, and behind the scenes, I will spray every single color so I can show you every color in the set on camera. But for now, let's grab one of these. Let's shake it up and head over to the booth. Let me grab my airbrush. Let's go. I go this way because that is where the booth is. All right, forging ahead. Matte blue. Just a little bit there to cover the bottom of the cup. Let's see if we are... Oh, we are good. All right. I like to get a little bit of a distance, 4 or 5 inches for the first layer, kind of building up a primer, so to speak. You can grip on itself. There we go. Covers really well. Look, just like a lacquer. So we're going to go ahead, just going to pull this down just for some air. About 10-20 seconds will dry off that layer. We're going to go ahead again with a slightly heavier, a little closer, right? I do this to show you that it's just air. We're going to hit it with some more air. I'm going to go in for the kill, so to speak. You want to do a nice wet look, overlapping each layer. There we go. That should dry nice and flat. Let me go put this in the dehydrator. We'll clean this out. We'll grab the red. Next up, matte red. Here we go. All right, dry it off. A blast of air here. You can see that it's matte already. That's a dry coat, so we're ready to go with the second layer. Beautiful red. All right, we're gonna hit it again with a little air. All right, final coat. There we go, nice and even. It just sprays absolutely beautifully. All right, clean this out. And then we'll get the green. We'll try the green on a spoon, and we're gonna try the green on that Warhammer figure. We'll see how that comes out. All right, as we roll on here, matte green. All right, we'll do the figure in a second here. Let's hit the spoon. All right, we're gonna hit it with some plain old air. Dry it off again. All right, let's go in for the final layer. Nice dark, wet coat. Get much closer. You go across a little slower. Beautiful color green. There we go, nice and even. Hold on. Here we go. I'm going to put a little bit more in the cup here, just so we don't run out in the middle of painting this guy, even though it should cover all right. But a little bit goes a long way with this. And we shall see how we do on this. All right, let me get the spoon here out of the way. All right, here we go. I'm gonna hit him overall with a dusting coat. Should have tried that new model holder I reviewed a couple months ago. It's been sitting behind me there. I just thought of it. It would have fit this little Warhammer figure pretty good. This paint cover is pretty good. It's looking all right here. Kind of impressed. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get the gun a little bit. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some plain old air. All right. I'm gonna go with a heavier coat. Try and get in the base there. Sorry, it's an awkward angle with this camera, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to get the best angle for you I can. I think we got this guy covered pretty good. It looks like no problem covering up a gray. Direct over plastic. Looks great. All right, we're gonna let this guy go and dry. All right, so I'll let everybody dry here. I'll get the rest of the colors done and head you back at the bench. We'll see in a couple seconds. We'll go over all the colors. All right, back at the bench with the results. We'll start with, I guess we just sprayed this red. Beautiful, even, flat finish. Really nice. Here's the blue. All right, here's the orange. Black. Purple. Is it purple or violet? They call it purple. All right. Just making sure. There's dust on it. Rubber black. Pretty nice color here. All right. I can't see my glasses here. This is Buff. Buff the stuff for wrestling fans out there. All right. This is Wood Brown. This one's just wood. Yellow. That's a bright yellow. I sprayed it over black, one coat to see how it covered. And you know what? This is pretty good. Another coat, I would have gotten that probably. Not quite as bright because it's over black, but it would have covered pretty good. It covered pretty good for one coat. That's impressive. Very opaque. And white. Tough to see the white. Looks just like it's the spoon. But here's white over black. And almost a more pure white. Did a good job. Did a good job over the black. It might even look better. Look at that. Same thing. That was one coat. I didn't load it up. If I let it fully dry and came back and hit another coat, it would have been probably even more brighter. Very impressive. And the green. Beautiful forest green. And how it covered the Warhammer guys straight over the gray. Very nice. No details are lost. Impressive. Great, great, great paint line. Some of the best acrylics I've ever used. Big thumbs up. Excellent. Excellent. So, we're going to lose the guy. Let's take him off this. There we go. He's more secure that way. Let's get that out of the way. So there it is. The Kaleido Works 12 primary matte color set. I believe I paid about 40 of these, 40 bucks. 44. Yep, 44, 49 on Amazon. One-time purchase. Yep, there it is. 2-day delivery, which means it's on part of Prime and means it's located in the warehouse here in the U.S. So there you go. And they got the other sets too, the gloss and the metallics. It might be 39 bucks. I'm not sure on the website. So I'll put links directly to their website, and I'll put links here to Amazon. I go to both. Sometimes I have a credit for Amazon, so I end up going there. So there you go. A wonderful paint line. Recommended. A lot of guys requested mats. This is the first set of mats. I believe more to come. Plus, these are primaries. You can mix a lot of colors out of these. So, but a good range. And, yeah, sprayed beautifully with the 0.4 in the Aventus Midnight Tide airbrush. So, no problems there. If you have a little trouble, turn the air pressure up a little more. You won't have any trouble at all whatsoever. So there you go, guys. There was a test. Yeah, I have links below for everything. I'll put a link for my Airbrush 2 down there. And yeah, that's all. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Please like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And hit the notification bell as we put up at least one video a week. This week I did 2. I did a quick test of that air compressor the other day. But this is one of the intended videos I wanted to do for the week. And we got it up. Many more tests to go. I got a bunch of stuff off to the side here, ready to be tested. So there you go, guys. Off to listen to a little bit of a power metal run here. Unleash the Archers. Female-fronted power metal from Canada. This is great stuff. This is sealed. I've had the digital copy, but I'm collecting CDs. So there is an actual hard copy. Battle Beast. Again, another female-fronted power metal band. That's the lead singer's last album. She's been with the band from the start for quite a while. And she just left, and that was their swan song. And Iron Mask, Diabolica. These guys have like at least 6 or 7 CDs. Love this power metal stuff. Gets me going. Puts me in a happy mood. So there you go. All right, guys. There you go. Have a wonderful rest of your day. A little crappy here today. Let's check out the weather. Outside, it's 83, not bad, 63% Forecast shows the sun, but it's kind of crappy out there right now. So there we go. Anyway, guys, God bless you all. You guys are the best. Have a wonderful rest of your day. See you in the next video.